Hey everyone, it's your boy Connor Shine Jr. back again with another video, and today we'll be playing some Flood Escape 2. I have played this game for a while now. It's very addicting. I see a bunch of people like level 22, level 13, have really good tanks, so I decided to try this game out. And I see a bunch of guests that play the game with outrageous Builders Club hats. Can you believe it? These people really care for guests. Well, I don't even see guests anymore. They got rid of them. Alright, let's spectate. It's Queen Rosie. Let's spectate Phantom Nightmares. Seems like a cool name. Ooh, he looks like an adult biker, motorbiker. What is this? What is this adult doing on a kid's game? But all you gotta do is get down and... Well, rip him. He can't go back after that. Lol. Oh, there was no way. This is why I don't really go for checkpoints on those type of maps. Like, if you go for a checkpoint, you have to be, like, really quick. Because you end up dying by the time you get to the checkpoint. Which is pretty bad. And they can't go back down, so rip. See, this is why I don't like those type of maps. I got 38 coins. Got 4 emotes. I regret making this. That's my dab emote I equipped. And got 3 tanks. I got 1 aura and 1 buddy, which is the new I have by my side. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Alright, this map is pretty short, honestly. I am mad. Wow. People are too quick for you. My god. Not fudge this. Fudge this. I want a suicide. Suicidal. Suicide. I'm faking. Guys, chill. I'm not gonna actually suicide. I was only gonna stay there until I was about to die or turn to acid, which is about to turn into now. And I'm gonna die pretty quick if I don't get back up there real quick. Alright, I'm up. I'm not gonna waste any time here except dab. Okay, let's get out of here before I drown myself in acid. Oof. I made it just in time. Isn't the difficulty's already easy. Ah, lag. That's some good lag stuff. Ah, crap. Ooh. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will be uploading daily on this channel. Oof. Wow. Yes, my first button. Oof. I hit my first button, guys. You happy? And I was lagging too. That is a huge achievement. Just kind of bounced that jump. Oof. Oh, crap. Getting here. Can't believe I survived difficulty is increased to hard. If I survive one more time, then the difficulty will be increased to insane, which is bad. I knew it was gonna be this map. Crap. It's bad that it's this map already. Break the ice, get the tank, get ready. Ooh, I don't want to be pressing the buttons because it's risky on this map. Like, if you lose 1 ounce of air, like, it's gonna be bad. Like, if you waste 1 ounce of air, it's bad. People who didn't take the extra bubbles, rip. Like, I got so confused because on the bubble maps, I didn't know that you would have to take them. So I would just go without the bubbles and I would end up dying so quickly. I'm like, what? How are all these people still alive? And even the ones without a tank, like, how? Oh crap, this is bad. I'm not even at close. If I wasn't so laggy, I would have been fine. Come on, get up in there. Yeah, I won't make it, guys. Sorry. I was so close, but I'm too laggy. Okay. So she on this right now, alright. Good thing I didn't survive this one though. Forgotten Tongues is hard. Hard. Ah, lag. Alright, let me show you some stuff I'm aiming to save up for. Alright, let's look in buddies. Trying to save up for this one. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Maybe probably lightning most likely. Trying to save up for this next. Skins. If I got everything else I want, probably gonna save up for this one. This one, yeah. And check any tanks. If I got everything else, I'll just save up for. Oh, the rest are diamond. Yeah, if I got everything else, just save up for the rainbow. This one I got by code, I'm pretty sure, or it just cost 100 and bought it. I don't know why you keep dying. You just suck, maybe. Suck, maybe. Oh, I didn't spell it right. Suck, maybe. Oh yeah, tip. If you hold space or hold your jump button on PC or mobile, you could climb ladders faster. Oof. Yes, I made it. Ew, no odor. Aw, crap. Rip. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you would like me to play next on Roblox or Steam, I guess. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.